Imagine consuming a product that could potentially have 250 times more mercury than others. Tuna brands differ in mercury content. After all, making an informed decision about your canned tuna brand can significantly impact your health. But why does mercury content matter? Mercury harms the nervous system and developing bodies. Stay informed, stay healthy. Before we continue with the video, please support us by hitting the subscribe and like buttons. But don't throw out your can openers just yet. Canned tuna isn't all bad news. Now let's dive into the brighter side of the coin. Canned tuna is a powerhouse of nutrients that can contribute significantly to a balanced diet. First up, let's talk about protein. Protein is the building block of your muscles, skin, and bones. It's crucial for growth, development, and repair. A single can of tuna packs a hefty punch of protein, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or build muscle mass. Next, we have omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own. Omega-3s are known to support brain health, reduce inflammation, and even contribute to a healthier heart. Canned tuna is an excellent source of these vital nutrients. Speaking of a healthier heart, did you know that eating canned tuna can contribute to heart health? The combination of omega-3 fatty acids, potassium, and low levels of saturated fat found in canned tuna can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and overall contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. But remember, moderation is key. While canned tuna offers a host of benefits, it's important to consider the potential risks associated with mercury content. So, always choose brands that prioritize sustainable and responsible fishing practices. So, you see, canned tuna can be both a healthful and harmful choice, depending on the brand and your consumption habits. Now that we understand the potential risks and benefits, how can we make the right choice when it comes to canned tuna? The answer lies in 3 key areas: brand choice, consumption moderation, and a balanced diet. Firstly, not all canned tuna brands are created equal. Some brands prioritize sourcing their tuna from waters known to have lower mercury levels. Do your research and opt for these brands. They may cost a little more, but your health is well worth the investment. Secondly, moderation is key. Mercury buildup in the body doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of consistent, high-level intake over time. By limiting your canned tuna consumption, you can enjoy its benefits without the potential downsides. Think of it as a treat, not a staple. Lastly, remember the importance of a balanced diet. Canned tuna, while a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, should be just one part of your dietary intake. Complement it with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other sources of lean protein. A well-rounded diet is the best defense against any potential health risks and the surest path to overall wellness. In conclusion, when making the right choice for canned tuna, it's all about being informed, practicing moderation, and maintaining balance. Remember, your health is in your hands. Choose wisely, consume responsibly. Before we wrap up, please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you found this video informative. We've discussed the pros and cons of canned tuna, from its health benefits to concerns about mercury levels. Remember, this information is intended to help you make informed choices, not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider about your specific health needs. Knowledge is power, and making informed choices about what we eat can make a world of difference to our health. Stay healthy, stay informed.